Hello all. Today I'll be speaking to you about another nice feature which is available in JMeter about using Groovy functions in JMeter. How do we enable the Groovy functions and how do we use it in JMeter and why it is required? Right? At times you need to make some calculations on different values that you get from the previous responses, and you might have to pass it on to the next request. So in those cases you can make use of the Groovy functions which can be written by you yourself. So to do that there are initial two steps which needs to be done, right? One is a change that you need to make inside the utility.groovy file for adding your own function. So if you see the utility.groovy and the user properties, these are the two files which are available inside JMeter bin folder, and you can open it using a notepad++. So what I've done is I have added a customized multiply function, though by default multiply, addition, etc. are available in Groovy, but I have just added a customized multiply function to show you a demo. So here I have added that customized function inside utility.groovy, and as per the note which is given here saying that in the user properties mark this file as your Groovy utilities file. So we are doing that here at line number 154 in the user.properties file. So two steps that we have are change these two files which are there in the JMeter bin folder, and once you change it you need to restart your JMeter to start accepting the changes that you have done, right? Post that what I'm going to show is, let's say we have a function helper, right? So here you can evaluate the functions that you have written. As part of step 3, go into this window, function helper window, and select Groovy here, right? And then write the expression that you want to evaluate. In my case, if you see, I have written a mult function, MULT, and I am passing two integers to it. So let's pass 8, 9, right? And then say generate and copy to clipboard. So you see that result being calculated here. So our function is working all good, right? Now next step would be close this, go inside or add a dummy sampler just to check whether everything is fine. Now you have already copied the syntax which will call your Groovy function. Just replace it here. If you have more request data, then probably you can add it to the right place. Post that you can just run the script to see. I'm just going to clear it off, and then I'll run this script, and let's see in the request data if I have the correct value here. So if your value is calculated and put into the request data. So by this way you can make use of your Groovy functions. You can keep adding how many ever Groovy functions you like here, keep on adding it, and once your setup is done, probably you can even share it with your team members to make use of the utility.groovy which is written by you. They can just replace the utility.groovy in their JMeter bin folder and start using it. So this is a good way of using the Groovy functions. Stay tuned to my channel so that you get all the latest on JMeter. Thank you.